अस्सलामुअलैकुम डियर स्टूडेंट्स। इन क्वेश्चंस के अलावा जो कि मैं वीडियोस बना के लगा रहा हूँ, अगर आपको कोई और भी किसी और एक्सरसाइज से कोई और चैप्टर से कोई क्वेश्चन आपने समझना है, पूछना है, तो आप मुझसे रब्ता कर सकते हैं और मैं कोशिश करूँगा कि प्रायोरिटी पे आपके जो बताए हुए क्वेश्चंस हैं वो उसकी वीडियो बना के मैं अपलोड करूँ। एक्सरसाइज 3.1 क्वेश्चन 1 एंड पार्ट 1 which is 5700. Now we convert it into scientific notation, and keep in mind in scientific notation one digit is before the decimal and all the number is after the decimal. In the whole number, which is as in question 1 part 1 5700, decimal is at the end and we shift this decimal on the place after 5, and when we shift it after the 5 means you can say 3 places left. We divide it by 1000, multiply by 1000, and also divide it. Then 5700 multiply by 1000 and divided by 1000. Now we divide 5700 by 1000, we get 5.700. Multiply by this 1000 is converted into tens power, which is tens power 3, because there are 3 zeros, and when we convert into tens power, it is tens power 3, and it is the answer of part 1. The part 2 is 800 into 100, 0, 0, 0. In the same way, we have decimal at the end of 0 and we shifted it after 4, which is 3 plus 3 6 and 9 7. 7 points to the left means we multiply it by 1 million, or in other ways 10 lakh. 49800 divided by because we shifted the decimal on the left, so we divide the 1 million by 4,98,000. We get 4.98. Multiply by tens and we convert it into tens power. It is tens power 7. The part 3rd is 9,60,100,000. In this question, the same, we shifted the decimal in the 7 points left. We multiply it by a million, which is multiply by also the million. We only divide 9,60,100,000 by a million, we get 9.6 multiplied by 10 to the power 7. And the part 4 is 416.9. In this value, the point is after the 6, and we shifted the 2 points on the left side after 4, and the 2 points left mean it is multiplied by 100 and divided by 100. When we divide 416.9 by 100, we get 4.169 multiplied by shift 100 into 10's power 2. And the next is fifth part, which is 83,000. For this question, we shifted the decimal the 4 point left, which is 10,000, and we multiply it and divide it by 10,000. Only divided by 1000, we get 8.3 multiplied by, and this 10,000 converted into 10's power, which is 10's power 4. The next sixth is 0.00643. In this question, the 0 is here, and we shift it on the left side 3 points because after 3 points the decimal is after a 6.6, so we multiply and divide in the same method. After 3 means multiply by 1000 and divided by 1000. This part, the value is 0.00643 multiplied by 1000, because we shift the decimal on the right side, we get 6.43, and the 1000 in the denominator place, it is shifted on 10's power, which is 10's power 3, and the answer is 6.43 multiplied by 10's power minus 3, 0.0074. And in this question, we shift decimal 1, 2, 3, 3 points right, so we multiply by 1000 and also by divided by 1000. 0.0074 multiplied by 1000 and divided by 1000. When we multiply 0.0074 multiplied by 1000, we get 7.4, and in the denominator place is 1000, convert into 10's power, which is 3, and we get and simplify 7.4 multiplied by 10's power minus 3. And the next is fifth part, which is 60 million. In this value question, we shifted the decimal on the left side, so we multiply or divide by 1 million, which is and also divided by 1 million. In this question, because the decimal is shifted on the left side, we divide the 1 million by 60 million, we get 6.0, and the other 1 million is shifted into tens power because 10 is in uh, 1 million there are 7 zero. It is tens power 7. And the next is ninth part, in which 0.80 395. Here the decimal is 0.80395. We shifted the decimal on the right side 9 points, 9 numbers. So we multiply by it by 100 million and multiply by 100 million and divided by, and also multiply by 100 million. Because we shifted the decimal on the right side, so we multiply by the 100 million and get 3.95 over, and the 100 million in the denominator place converted into tens power, which is tens power 9, and the answer is 3.95 multiplied by tens power minus 9. The next question, which is 10th part of question 1, it is in the fraction form 275,000 over 0.0025. In this question, because the question is in the fraction form, we treat it as numerator and denominator separately. First we solve the numerator 275,000 mean 275,000. It is divided by 100,000 and also multiply by 100,000, and the other is 0.0025. The denominator, the decimal is shifted on the right side 3 points, so multiply by 1000 and also by 1000. Now simplify these two values, we get the 275,000 converted into scientific notation, we get 2.75 multiplied by 10's power 5, and the other value 0.0025 multiplied by 1000, we get 2.5 into 10's power 3. Now when we further simplify the values, we get 2.75 multiplied by 10's power 5 and 2.5 multiplied by, we shift 10's power 3 in the denominator place, which is 10's power minus 3. And we know that when the power is minus and we want to convert it into positive, we shift it on the denominator or in the numerator place. Here it is 10's power minus 4, and when we want to convert this power into plus, we shift into denominator, which is 6 over 10's power 4. Now simplify it. 6 over 10's power 4 mean we have 40 mean which is 10,000. Now we convert in decimal place at decimal form. 6 over 10,000 we get 0.0006, and it is the answer of the first part of question 2. And the second part is 5.06 multiplied by 10's power 10. In this part 5.06, it is 10's power 10, mean we have 10 0 with 1, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. And when we multiply this value with 5.06, this decimal is shifted on the right side 10 points, and we get 506. It is to shifted from 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10, and we get the answer. And the next, which is third part, 9.018 into 10's power minus 6. Same, we convert minus 6 into positive power. We get 9.018 divided by 60. Now you can say a million. And when we divide 9.018 by a million, the number decimal shifted 6 point on the left side. We get 0.1 2 3 4 5 9 018. The decimal is here, and we shift 6 point on the left. 1 2 3 4 5 6, and it is the answer of question 2 part 3rd. And the fourth is 7.865 multiplied by 10's power 8. So in this value we shifted the decimal 8 points right, which is 7.865 multiplied by 0 0 and mean 80. 10's power 8 mean 80. 2 3 5 6 7 8, and the answer is 7865. Here the decimal is here. We shift 8 points on the right side. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8.